So this is 3 cups of gram flour or besan. And this is 1.5 cups of rice flour. And this is 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder. And this is salt to taste. And this is Asafoetida. Yeah, and now mix all this well. So this will be our dry mix. So first let's make this ready. Yes, so this is ready. So now scoop out some portion from the ready mix that we made and blend some butter into it with your fingers. Blend well. Yeah. Now add some water to make a dough that's not too soft or too hard. Yeah. So our first batch of dough for the ribbon pakoda is ready. So make batch by batch. That's the best option. So this is the murukku press that I will be using today. And this is the attachment to use for ribbon pakoda. See, this is it. So this is the oil heating, and this is the mold ready. This is the murukku stand or the ribbon pakoda. It's all greased and ready. So just put it inside. Yeah. So that's all. So let's wait for the oil to get hot. So test the oil. Yeah. See, it's coming up automatically. So this is the time to make the Tengozhal. Now press out ribbons into the hot oil carefully. Yes, into desired shapes. So this is the first batch of ribbon pakoda. It's cooking in the oil. So don't disturb it while the bubbly sound is there.